I have my low priority binder here. I have $90 and I have my small denomination dice, my all in fives, because that just makes it easier. And what you guys didn't see is I reconciled my cash envelopes off camera. I was way over budget. March was supposed to be a no spend, and so was April. And I was very much over budget. So there's pretty much nothing in any of these envelopes. Okay. We're gonna go until we have no more. No more. So, oh my gosh, we're putting 30 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ooh. Okay, clothing and shoes. Let's see what happens here. 15. Okay, Costco. Oh my God. Craft room. 15. That's our last $15. That was interesting the way that kind of all played out. Okay.